Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca Harris and this is my presentation on our second article critique assignment, and it is the use of the theory of reasoned action and the theory of planned behavior to explain the intention of women in Nigeria to participate in the cure for obstetric fistula. That is quite a title, but don't worry, we're going to break it down and review it. So here's a brief summary of the article. An estimated 2 to 2.5 million women around the world suffer from obstetric fistula, which we will call OF. 98% of those live in sub-Saharan Africa and Asia. The study that I read particularly focused on the incidence rate in Nigeria, which, as we know, is a country located in Africa. So, what is OF? This occurs when a hole or a fistula is created between the birth canal, urethra, and or the rectum during childbirth. I have included a small graphic up here at the top right for you guys to see. It also highlights the common areas where that hole may appear. As you can imagine, this is quite traumatic for the mother. Common side effects include frequent infections, kidney disease, painful sores, and even infertility if it is left untreated. This particular condition can be cured through a procedure conducted in a safe medical facility. In other words, they would repair the damage caused by the childbirth, and the mom would be able to live her day-to-day life. So why is this important? OF is a condition that can only be repaired through surgery, and without this operation, women are usually shunned by their communities. They're unable to have children, they're unable to complete day-to-day tasks. Some women may even become incontinent. It definitely destroys their quality of life, and so without access to proper medical care, these women will be impaired for life. So by using both the TRA and the TPB, researchers found a correlation between attitudes and actions. If the women believed that the cure was a positive procedure, they were more likely to seek medical facilities to perform the operation. Additionally, if the women had positive support from their families, they were more likely to think positively about the operation. So basically, these theories showed that if a woman has a positive perception on the procedure, she would be more likely to have the procedure to fix what happened during childbirth, and whenever she has a negative perception of the procedure, then she is more likely to ignore the procedure and refuse it. In my opinion, I think that this study highlighted a very important cause. I personally was not aware of this. I knew that there could be issues during childbirth, but I was not aware specifically of this one. And it is really disappointing that this procedure can't cure OF, but many women are actually refusing it, either because they do not have a positive view of the procedure or they do not have access to proper medical facilities. And I also believe it is our job as public health leaders to recognize these challenges and to do our best to promote proper health care around the world. It's not only our job to look at the United States, it's also to look at the world. And yeah. So here are my references and the images. Thank you guys very much for listening, and I hope you have a great day.